Here we are now talking about Enzyme Wizard's all-purpose surface spray. Instead of using old school traditional chemicals that are solvent based, caustic to break down any dirt that you might have in the kitchen, in the bathroom, on the walls, or just anywhere that needs a good wipe. The all-purpose surface spray has a multi-enzyme formula that breaks down all organic matter. The one thing about the enzyme technology is that it actually removes biofilm. And biofilm is what bacteria feeds on. So it's actually probably one of the best sources of cleaning a surface because you're removing all the filth, all the biofilm, and taking a surface back to the natural state. The second part of the technology is the fact that it's pH neutral. So cleaners, mums, dads, whoever it might be, just love using the product. Okay, it's safe to use around kids, safe to use around children, animals, safe to use for the cleaners, for their respiratory system, skin irritations, allergies, asthmas, whatever it might be. They all love using this product moving forward. Another key feature about the product is the fact that it's soap-free, which means there's no residue left behind. One of the biggest benefits of this product is it's used across the board on multiple applications. This can be used on glass, on stainless steel, or on bench tops. So it's a one-stop shop. It actually saves time in cleaning. Instead of having one product specifically for glass and one specifically for stainless steel, here it is all in one product. Being soap-free, you don't get any residue left behind. So when you're cleaning the glass, it's literally one spray, wipe down. The natural enzymes sit there, break down all the filth and all the streaking that may have been left behind from another product. Cleaners are always looking for a safe, natural alternative. And instead of old school chemicals that often damage your hands or damage your nose, nostril, here we have a safe, natural, sustainable product that's easy to use. Kids can use it, elderly can use it without having worry that it's going to damage the surface or damage themselves.